Hey y'all, it's Cass. Welcome back. Glad you're here. I have a girly haul for you. Part of it's from Ulta, part of it is from Dollar Tree. And so I have lots of goodies that I'm excited to use, so I wanted to go ahead and share them with you first. So you know how lots of times when you get things from Ulta, you get all the free things, and so I like this jelly pouch that came full of all sorts of free goodies. I might have stuffed some of the things that I bought in here, so I'm checking to see. We'll get into that in a minute though. I got some Sol de Janeiro, and so I got the Brazilian Play body wash. I had the little travel size of this one a long time ago, so that's my suggestion or my tip. If you want to try something, you know, a blind buy or whatever, and you're not sure if you'll like it or not, buy the sample size. I wanted to open this up and smell it, but it's not coming open. I'll have to cut it. Anyway, I know I love this, and I've always wanted more since I tried the little small one. So it's really good and moisturizing, and it's not too strong. It's a decent size too. And I also got the Shirosa 48 that I've been seeing everywhere, and I thought it sounded so good because it was like vanilla, definitely. Guava, yeah, and orchid, that's good too. But then I sprayed it and it came out really, really floral, and I don't like that. And I found out why, because I don't know if I read in, you know, before I bought it, I read the notes, and then I read the notes again after I bought it, and then I saw pink musk, and I think that's why. So this is going back to the store. I'm sad about it because it sounded so good. Okay, and screw this on all the way. Look at the cute little gift I got. That's gonna be so good for my bags. This is the Balm de Bright cream. And I got a couple of things that, well, I like to catch sales at Ulta, and then I like to use my rewards, but I discovered that they won't always let certain things apply for a sale, like they're more, I don't know if they call it their prestige brands, but sometimes things, you know, the sale price won't apply. So I got the Too Faced Cream Cloud blush. I've been looking at this one for a long time because it's so pretty. The packaging got me, yeah, I know, but besides that, like, I wanted to find a shimmery blush that'll be pretty light. So I've been seeing the Pink Cloud, I think, is the one I've been seeing all over the place, but I ended up getting a different one because this one actually has some gold shimmer in it. It's gonna be really pretty. Oh, I just realized it smells really good. Wow, I like that. I'm not gonna swatch it yet, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna be a little nervous about carrying this in my bags because I don't want to break it, you know, but it's so pretty. I might just have to, and maybe keep it in the box or something to keep it protected. So these are just a few goodies that I've been wanting for a while, and I finally just wrote down and got them to try because I had been hearing and seeing so many of y'all with Dior Addict Lip Glow oil. And so I got this plum colored one. The packaging is just so pretty on this. I know I keep saying that, but I like these lip glosses that have a big old fat applicator too. And it's not nearly as dark as it looks. I'm gonna like this a lot because I like just a hint of color. So let me see if this will show up. It's just very, can y'all see that? It's very faint. I gotta figure out how to do this where you can see it. I don't know if you can see that or not. I should have put it on the back of my hand instead of the side, I guess. We'll see if it's sticky or not. It feels kind of sticky on my hand. I guess I need to try that today before I go back to the store and return the Shirosa. I hope not though, because I've heard so many good things about it. And then all these free goodies. I can't wait to carry this in my bag too. But I have a buxom gloss, and that's a pretty, like a, I don't know, a mauvey nude color, I guess. This will be perfect for the little mini bags. I've got some Murad stuff. I've got YSL myself perfume sample I haven't tried yet. Sun Balm sunscreen spray. That'll be perfect for traveling. And let's see what else here. I have some peach and something, I don't know. I have a cute little whey. I think it's an oil or a serum. There is a facial toner. I have a acne gel cleanser. Sometimes my skin breaks out when we travel and go to a different place. I guess it's a different water, so that'll be good. This is what is this? Let's see. Is it a mascara? Lancome. Let's see. It looks like there's not much on there, but it must be a little Lancome mascara or a brow gel or something. And this is something from Origins. I hope I've been holding everything up where you can see it on camera. A cute little Amazing Grace perfume. This is adorable. I don't know if I like it or not. I tried it. I think this is the one I tried, and I don't remember if this is the one that I couldn't wash off and I kept smelling it and not liking it, but I'll have to smell it again and see, because that's so cute. I'll be sad if kind of be sad if I don't like it. I love getting perfume samples, y'all know that. And then I got an e.l.f. primer. I've been seeing a lot about this, and the cute Balm Dia Bright sample of the cream. This would go in a small purse too because it's flat. That would go really well. So that's it for that. And then just a couple of things from Dollar Tree. Let me reach over here and get those. So I've already opened up a couple. Well, yeah, I've already opened them up. I found this. I thought it was a brush, and then when I got it home, I discovered that it's a blender sponge on a stick. So I like that a lot, because sometimes it's kind of awkward to me to be holding the little sponge blender. And so I like that a lot. That'll go in my purse real well without, you know, messing up a brush. And then I got this little Big Lash mascara. I think it's LA Colors. And these are both pretty small, so that'll also go in a smaller purse. I keep telling myself I didn't get these because they were purple, but I'm probably wrong. I dropped it. Where did it go? And then I got this. I've seen those of you that use these for different things, and you're going to have to remind me what you use them for, because this is one of the lash holders. And, you know, I like that it has a mirror, but I thought I was going to use it for other things, but I didn't know that it was going to have this shape on the inside. So if any of you have any ideas what I can use that for, please let me know, because I'm not getting any ideas right now. So anyway, that was a quick little haul for you. I have a mess here to clean up now, and I need to go. So thanks for spending a little time with me, and I will see you again next week. Bye.